Hello there, my name's Steve Shirley. I'm Chairman and Founder of the Museum of RAF Firefighting. Today I'm at North Lindsey College to accept a 1940s Scammell wheelbarrow pump which has been with the college for restoration. The pump itself has been in the collection for over 10 years, but we've never seen it running. And the college accepted the challenge, gave it to the students to get the actual mechanical side of things up and running. And then while the pump was in the mechanical section being worked on, the guys from the painting and finishing section saw it and took some interest. And it was at that point that I said it was painted the wrong colour. And the painting and finishing department very kindly agreed to put it back to its original proper wartime colour scheme once the mechanical restoration had been finished. And here we have it after 2 years. Thanks to COVID and various other pressures, the pump itself is finished. It's back into a fully operational condition, and what it's going to do, it's going to enable us within the museum to demonstrate firefighting from the World War II period and how Civil Defence Corps and National Fire Service firefighters use this very basic piece of equipment on the front line following air raids throughout the country. We can't tell the story of firefighting in the military without telling the story of firefighting in general. And this important piece of wartime firefighting equipment has been brought to life by the students and staff of the college, and it will enable us to continue to tell that story and hopefully preserve this piece of equipment for another 60 years or so. We honestly can't thank the college enough. It's fantastic to have it back with us.